So, hey, my friends, I'm going to make a little research about Bitcoin Vault today, and I want to share this video with you because this coin is going crazy. As you know, it's about 436 US dollars now in market, and it's listed on some exchange, some good known exchange, and I want to make a research. I am actually a Bitcoin miner. I have my own machines. I have the resources to do that, and I don't want to mine Bitcoin anymore because I think Bitcoin Vault is better. And we are going to make a research now. Let's start with the homepage from Bitcoin Vault, and this is the homepage. They have their higher standard in security. They have their wallets for Windows, for Linux, for Android, or something else. And there are some reasons why should we choose Bitcoin Vault, because it's secure, it's simple, it's flexible. And how can we start? There's a white paper on webpage, and there is the development team or owner of the system of the coin and what's the Bitcoin Vault offers. It's a long-term store of value, and it's a protected from theft and enterprise solutions. Okay, and Bitcoin Vault exchanges are listed on this exchange like CoinAL or Bbox, LBank. Okay, and that's the important point for me why I choose the Bitcoin Vault. It's a decentralized digital mining standard, and I want to check it if it's really decentralized, and if it's really mining. Because if it is decentralized, I should I should have the opportunity to connect in the system if I have enough resources, and I should be a miner. Let's start with the Explorer. This is the on Explorer from Bitcoin Vault. The same is in Bitcoin too. You can check your transactions, you can check your wallets, you can look the transactions with all of the transactions, all of the movements in blockchain is connected, is recorded, and that's the positive point from blockchain. Nothing is gone. Everything is almost every time here. In Bitcoin Vault, they have their own chain, and this way they have their own blockchain, Bitcoin Explorer. There are main informations here: what's the hash rate now, what's the difficulty of mining now, and how many coins in circulation. It's about 7.6 million coins. It's okay. And how many transactions in total. And there are 4 unconfirmed transactions. That means they are in memory pool and waiting for the confirmation. And what's the rate of coin. And it's okay. It's really cool. And I want to start buying this. And now I want to check the peers, how many people are mining this coin, how many machines are mining this coin. This on their own Explorer, it's only 78 computers, 78 softwares mining this coin. It's some kind of suspicious because it's a valuable coin. It's going really in trend, and it's just 78, not even 80 computers. And let's look the details about these mining machines. Here we have the list of these machines with their IP address, with their version, okay, and they have the version Satoshi 0.18 and 0.0. And let's go some other pages. As you see, all of the peers, all of the nodes are using the same version and same software to mine this coin. And it's okay, it's possible. They are using only one certain version, but I want to compare that information what we have with Bitcoin, because everyone knows Bitcoin is a real coin, real mineable coin, and decentralized. And let's check it about Bitcoin. We go in BitNodes and we see there are 9,710 computers nodes actually mining. We have the same information, but it's just as I already mentioned, it's just a little suspicious. Bitcoin Vault has only 80 nodes and Bitcoin has 9,700. I should accept that it was more than 12,000, 13,000 nodes before the halving, and after the halving, some of the nodes closed their systems. And we have the informations, and I say, okay, they are mining that only with 80 computers and with 80 peers nodes, and I want to be one of them. And just something interesting, they tried to make the Explorer almost the same as the Bitcoin. We have here an world map and we see the nodes with blue points, but in this map we see nothing because there are only 80 mining nodes, mining machines online, and I want to look at in Poland if they are in Poland. I see nothing. Okay, maybe it's not working. Anyway, now I'm going to show you something about the version. If we go in BitNodes and click on the nodes, we are going to see which versions they are using to mine Bitcoin. And there are Satoshi 0.20 actually two newer version, 0.19, 0.18.1, 0.18.2, but this version is the same version as Bitcoin Vault, and in Bitcoin mining it's only 10% of active nodes are using this version. But Bitcoin Vault decided for this version, and as far as I see in Explorer, people can mine only with this version because they are using all the same version. It's some kind of suspicious again, but let's do our research. And now, if I want to be a miner, if I want to be an take my part in these peers, in these nodes, I should be connect to my mining machine into Bitcoin Vault blockchain, or I should take part in some pools. Now I'm going to try to find that, and I go again to the Explorer, Bitcoin Vault, and I go here, browse blocks. Now I see the mining pools here, and I'm going to try to join these pools because I don't want to do that alone, and I want to take a part in a mining pool. Now I'm going to, I should find the IP address from this pool and go in Google and Knox pool. Yeah, there's a web page from Knox Pool. I hope I find the necessary information in this pool, and I can connect my computer and start mining. Now, as you see, it comes nothing. The page is not here. We are waiting for the answer from the server, and okay, let me try that with another Explorer. Maybe it's some issue in Google Chrome. Knox Pool. Yeah, let's see. Okay, as you can see, he's not responding. I delete the FAQ section, frequently asked questions. Okay, I cannot reach this pool, and it's here now. Really good. And but the information what I see is not really good. Let's read together. We regret to inform you that it has come to our attention that because the website knuxpool.com is not yet a registered business, we unfortunately cannot provide such a service at this time without the proper registered license. Okay, as far as I understand, uh, they are a pool, mining pool, but they are not registered, and they cannot provide me something like giving a place in their pool or something like that. Okay, we have another pools in Bitcoin Vault Explorer, BTMO. Let's Google. World Digital Mining Organization. No. Oh, what does it? Let's see, nothing. Okay, let's search within Bitcoin Vault. Nothing. So it's now I'm really surprised because there are two pools. They are mining Bitcoin Vault, and both of them is not reachable. It's really suspicious. All of them are using the same version. Uh, they are mining only with 78 nodes. There are two pools. You cannot join, you cannot reach, you cannot get any information about these pools. It's really interesting, and I think I should continue to mine Bitcoin because if this pool close and if this company close, I don't think it's a decentralized coin. Now I'm going to show you something else, and let's go in BitNotes and peers, and let's make it. These IP addresses, they are servers, and they are uh, they are meeting in a certain point, and this is called TCP port. As you see here, all nodes, all IP addresses have at the end 8333. That's the port of this pool, because if they cannot meet in some point, they cannot sign the transactions, they cannot confirm the transactions, they cannot create anything. Because if I am in city A and you are in city B, and we have no connection. How can we confirm something together? It's not possible. And let's check it out in Bitcoin Vault. And let's go in the Explorer again. And we go in peers to see one peer less now. As we started the video, it was actually 78, now 77. And if we go down, that's really interesting. They are using any ports. They have no common point. They can meet and confirm something because this IP is connected at the port 8333, and the other one is using 48,570, and let's go. All of the IPs has another port. That's really interesting. But let's say they find a way to collect the IP address to nodes in some point over another ports. It's almost impossible, but let's say they did that. And another point, I'm going to check this IP address. Now, if I want to connect in some point, some nodes, I will check this IP address here with this port. It's an IP address from Bitcoin miner with port, and I see this port from this IP is open. That means it's working. This software is working, and we can connect. Let's take another IP address from Bitcoin and port again. It's open again, and I want to check two IPs from this one from Bitcoin Vault. That's impossible. This port is closed. This port is not sharing anything with internet, with blockchain, with anyone, and you cannot connect. Okay, let's say this peer is dead, and let's take another one. I hope. No, this one closed too. Okay, and last one. Let's take another page. Well, they are using the same port as Bitcoin, 8333. It's good. Let's check it. Ah, this is the only open port. Wow. But I give them one more shot. This port is closed too. So, dear friends, actually I am done with my video, with my research. If some coin has his own blockchain and reached at this point of price with only 17 nodes, and this is absolutely not a decentralized coin, and I have found any issues of if they are really manning, because we check the IPs, we check the ports, and these ports are closed. Let me show you last point, one more thing. I want to download this coin, this wallet, and I'm copying the address, and let's delete this on GitHub. Now we see this wallet open source code from Electrum Vault. This Vault from Bitcoin Vault has a name. Its name is Electrum Vault, and it's really interesting. The latest release was released on 13 December 2019, and this is almost 8 months and 9 months, and they have no problems, they have no issues with this coin, with this wallet, and made no updates on that. As you can see in this folder at GitHub, the last change at 5 years ago, 8 months ago, 2 days ago, run Electrum BTCV testnet configuration from master. Okay, and 2 years ago. And what I can find here, this wallet is not created from Bitcoin Vault development team. It's forked from Electrum. As far as I understand, they downloaded the coin, Bitcoin, and changed some names in this code, made a fork, and created the Bitcoin Vault. And the same as in wallet, they copied the Electrum, made a fork. You can do it in some hours. You can change some lines from Electrum to Electrum Vault, and you have your own wallet. And you can see this is the main page from Electrum. And if you go here, you see there are 17 days ago, 29 days ago, and it's interesting. The main program Electrum Vault is Electrum Wallet makes some updates. They have some issues, but the forked wallet from Bitcoin Vault has these issues. No, that's impossible. And that's the end of the video. If you want to say something about my research, you can write and comment under the video. I know I'm going to get many bad reactions. I'm going to be called scammer or something like that because I'm using another systems too, but it's no problem for me. I make my research and I share. If you are real and if you promote Bitcoin Vault, then prove yourself. I have shown you my issues, what is my questions, what are my questions, on what is the reality. And as you see, this video is recorded at 20 August today. And last thing, my advice, don't touch this coin, my friends. It's like a ticking bomb and it can explode in any second. And I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.